My name is Okafor Gosin. I'm a 200level healthcare management of jpts Institute of Management, Science and Technology in collaboration with Pan American University and Pan America Center in California and American Institute of Certified Professional. I'm conducting on a brief seminar which says overcoming obstacles. Let's look at the meaning of overcoming. Overcoming is getting or derived from the word to overcome, which is to conquer, prevail, overthrow, subdue, and vanquish. Now, overcoming is a process of succeeding in dealing with difficulties or problems. Now, look at the meaning of obstacle. Obstacle can be seen as a thing that blocks one's way or prevents or hinders one's progress. Example, lack of imagination is an obstacle to one's advancement. Now look at the meaning of overcoming obstacle. Overcoming obstacle can be seen as a process where you can walk through a challenge in order to achieve a goal. It can also be seen as taking the better off by force or strategy, or to overcome or succeed after a hard struggle. For example, if you come from a family that don't have enough money to pay for your college and you have the passion to go to medical school, now you have to pass through difficulties and pain in order to achieve such goal and vision that you wanted. And the truth of it is that any success made in life, there's always obstacles in the way to stop you. But the obstacle is not the real actual problem. The real actual problem is the individual in question, how persistent and consistent it is to handle the obstacle. And if you can maintain a good persistence with much effort and work, you can be able to overcome that very obstacle that is standing on the way, can become a step up to overcome and to become great in life. Then look at how to overcome obstacle. Number one, how to overcome is don't complain. People don't want to hear you say, woe is me, all over and over again, especially when you don't do anything about it. However, you can ask for help and solution to those who have been in similar situation like that before. Secondly, face it head on. Don't just move around the bush. Face the problem, try something better, try something else, but not the previous one which didn't work. Try something better until you conquer it. One number three, which we say stay positive. When you are worried, it is hard to stay positive. When you are worried, it is hard to stay positive. But try to maintain that positive, because the thing you are actually hoping for can become a reality. One number five, we can say communication. I've learned in life that the best way to learn is to ask questions. To start is to ask questions. So when you ask questions, it will help you a lot. And also, don't outdo people. Whenever people come with struggling, don't outdo them. Say, is this hard? Is this kind of story? Although it is true, or it is true that you have passed through some problems, but try to relate your story and your situation to them so that it can help them relate and help them in that situation. So I believe that these few points of mine, that is able to know one of the 2 or 3 ways or even 4 ways of how to overcome obstacles, because it is very important to overcome obstacles so that you can be able to step up in life. There are many benefits of overcoming obstacles. It will strengthen your confidence, it will help you to achieve every goal, and whenever you have another obstacle in the future, you have the stamina and the strength to overcome the obstacles. Thank you for hearing me.